The print release station is where students can print documents. First, log into the computer with your username and password. Once your document is ready to print, click File, then click Print. You should see the computer connecting to the student printer. Click Print again. When you go to the print release station, you'll have to log in again with your username and password. After you type your username and password, click Log In. You should see your documents show up on the screen. Click Print. Your document will then print out of the printer. Always ask a teacher's permission before you print something. Finally, click Log Out.